हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल मिस्टी टॉक्स। आज संडे है और हम लोग अभी जा रहे हैं हाइकिंग करने के लिए। तो हम लोग नहा के रेडी होके निकल गए हैं। अभी जा रहे हैं सबवे, फिर हम लोग चलेंगे हाइकिंग करने के लिए। In this video, I am excited to share with you all the fun and the interesting things that happened in my weekend. I started my morning with a delicious cup of coffee and some breakfast. Then we headed out to explore the city and see what activities I could find. As you can see in this video, we have stopped by a nearby subway and packed some delicious sandwiches, but we'll not have it here. We'll take it to the hill, and once we reach at the top of the hill, we will have it there while enjoying the mesmerizing beauty of the surrounding. Sunday outing is an important aspect of our life. They give us the chance to disconnect from our routine and reconnect with the world around us. So if you are feeling overwhelmed, stressed out, consider taking some time to go on a Sunday outing and see what the world has to offer. Today I am so excited to take you on a hiking adventure with me at Garin Park in Fremont, California. As you can see in the video, we are about to reach to the park. Road to the park is as beautiful as the park itself.
पार्क बंद नहीं है आज।
नहीं आज तो लोग देखे हैं ना, और बारिश तभी तो।
ओह यस ये उधर देखो।
यस देखिए आसपास का व्यू कितना सुंदर है। अभी हम लोग चल के जाएंगे उस पहाड़ के ऊपर जहाँ पे आपको छोटा छोटा लोग दिख रहा है ऊपर। हम लोग भी चलेंगे।
पार्किंग फी व्हेन कियोस्क, यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं पार्किंग फी $5 है। और पार्किंग फी $5 तभी देना है जब कोई इस कियोस्क में रहता है। और अभी हम लोग चल के देखते हैं यहाँ पे कोई है क्या। और कियोस्क ओपन्स वीकेंड्स और एंड हॉलीडेज मार्च टू अक्टूबर। तो अभी तो फरवरी है, तो अभी तक कियोस्क ओपन नहीं है।
So you don't need to pay anything.
Yeah, we don't need to pay anything. Let's go in this direction.
देखिए सुंदर लग रहा है।
Yes,
ये
yes,
सब
yes.
क्या है? फार्मिंग का कुछ है क्या?
Yes, yes, yes. अभी सब पे फोटो वीडियो लेंगे।
As we are here in Garin Park, Fremont today, so let me talk about some interesting facts about Garin Park. So this park spans over 1,300 acres of land, making it one of the largest parks in the East Bay Regional Park District. The park is named after Juan Jose Garin, who was a pioneer farmer in the area during the mid-19th century. The park features a variety of landscape including oak, woodlands, grassland. There are over 20 miles of hiking trail within the park, ranging from easy strolls to the more challenging hikes. Garin Park is the home to a number of historic buildings and sites, including the Visitor Center, the Garin House. The park offers a range of recreational activities, including picnicking, horseback riding, and fishing. In addition to the natural and historical feature, Garin Park also hosts a variety of educational programs and events throughout the year. The park is open year-round. Garin Park is known for its beautiful views of the rolling hills and scenic trails. As soon as I arrived, I was greeted by the sound of the chirping birds and the smell of fresh pine trees. The trail we took was moderately challenging with a mix of steep inclines, but the payoff was well worth it. At the top of the hill, we were rewarded with the breathtaking panoramic views of the surrounding hills and the valleys. Along the way, we also discovered a variety of wildlife, including squirrels, cows, and even horse. It was so cool to see the creatures up close and in their natural habitat. When we were roaming around the Garin Park, you can see in this video, there was on the same day a picnic was going on in the park. As you can see in this video, this gate is the entry point of the trail.
पूजा किस तरफ चले? लेफ्ट या राइट?
Right.
राइट. ओके. वाइफ इज ऑलवेज राइट.
Yes. Hiking is a great form of exercise that offers a range of physical and mental benefit. Here are some of the ways hiking can be beneficial for your health. Hiking is a cardiovascular exercise that can help improve heart health by increasing blood flow and reducing the risks of heart disease. Hiking involves using a variety of muscles including legs, so regular hiking can help strengthen these muscles. Hiking is a calorie burning activity that can help with weight loss and weight management. Being in the nature and away from the stress of daily life can help reduce the stress level and promote relaxation. Spending time in the nature has been shown to boost the immune system and increase the overall well-being. Overall, hiking is a fun and enjoyable way to improve your physical and mental health. Spending time in the nature is one of my favorite things to do. There is something about being surrounded by trees, fresh air, and natural beauty that is so refreshing. Whether it's going for a hike in the mountains, walking along the beach, or simply sitting in a park, I always feel more connected to myself and the world when I am in the nature. It is a great way to unwind and clear my mind, and it always leaves me feeling inspired and energized. I encourage everyone to take some time to explore the great outdoors and connect with the nature. There are so much to discover and appreciate in the natural world. So go ahead and plan your next nature adventure and see where the journey takes you.
कैसा लग रहा है?
हमको तो काफी मजा आ रहा है.
मैं थक गई हूँ
हाँ.
इतना चढ़ के,
अभी तो बहुत बाकी है.
लेकिन अभी बहुत बाकी है.
After hiking for a while, we decided to sit on the hill and enjoy the beauty of the surrounding. Sitting at the top of the hill and taking in the panoramic view was an unforgettable experience. The beauty of the surrounding landscape was breathtaking, and I could not help but feel a sense of wonder at the world around me. As I sat there, I feel completely immersed in the moment, taking in every detail of the scenery before me. The vibrant color of the sky and the surrounding mountains blended together to create a truly magical sight. The gentle breeze on my face and the warm sun on my skin only added the sense of relaxation. It feels like we are far away from the stress and the demands of everyday life. It's a moment like this that remind us of the beauty and the power of the nature. I feel grateful to have had this experience and to have been able to share it with you. As my hiking adventure comes to a close, I am happy to have so many benefits that comes from spending time in the nature. From the physical exercise to the mental clarity, hiking is a truly amazing activity. Today's hike was little challenging but rewarding experience. The beautiful scenery and the fresh air made every step worth it. I feel grateful for the opportunity to explore this trail and push myself to this new limit. I hope by sharing my experience I have inspired you to get out and explore your own local trail. Hiking is just not about reaching the destination, it's about enjoying the journey and taking the natural beauty along the way. As always, thank you for joining me on this adventure. I hope you have enjoyed this vlog and found it both entertaining and informative. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye and take care.